Oftentimes in our society, we kind of just always stereotyped as being unique or being outcasted. But that's fine. You don't have to be with everyone, or you don't have to look like everyone. You don't have to speak like everyone. You don't have to behave like everyone. Just follow this bird. This bird has been followed by many different native cultures among nations. You know why? Because of its uniqueness. It is not afraid to be by itself. It is not afraid to be unique. It doesn't need to be fit or flock with everyone. If you are unique, if you are different, you should be proud of your uniqueness, because at the end, when you leave this world, you are leaving your soul behind just to the divine. So it doesn't matter if the society does not accept you, the people, places, if they don't accept you, that is no problem. You are at the end the winner, just like this eagle bird.